In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing microphone voice input on Samsung Galaxy keyboard. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open up your phone settings. From here, you want to scroll down until you find the general management setting. So select that. Now, as you can see right here, you'll see the Samsung keyboard settings and keyboard list and default. So select this keyboard list and default, and you'll see all of the voice input on your keyboard. So make sure that the Samsung voice input is enabled. So if it's disabled, just make sure to enable it. And then the Google voice typing, make sure that all of this are enabled. So if you can see it right here, it should be right here in the Samsung keyboard settings. Just scroll down and you'll see a voice input setting right here. Now let's open up our notes or anything that can open our keyboard. And as you can see, right here, the voice input is now right here in our keyboard. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.